Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing TownePlace Suites Huntington. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. TownePlace Suites Huntington offers self-catering rooms, an outdoor pool and guest laundry facilities. It features an on-site picnic area. Museum of Radio and Technology is 4.4 miles away. All air-conditioned rooms have deluxe bedding and furniture including a pull-out sofa bed. Each one is fitted with a 32 inches flat-screen TV with HD cable channels. Each accommodation has a modern kitchenette equipped with a microwave, fridge and stove. The kitchen also has a small workspace and dining area. TownePlace Suites has a mini market that sells light snacks and beverages. It features an outdoor barbecue area where guests can enjoy outdoor meals. TownePlace Suites Huntington is 10 minutes drive away from Huntington Museum of Art. Beech Fork State Park is less than 24 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.